DMG MORI UK's business has changed substantially over the last couple of years. Now, I've been informed that as of last year, out of their business, 40% of it were from new customers, really showing the confidence that the industry has within their technology. Talking about substantially changing and in their business, Andy, Bedford CNC, your business has changed so much as of late, and congratulations on your latest DMG MORI purchase.
Thank you, Lindsay.
Yeah, it's really exciting. So what was the reason behind the purchase of this machine?
I needed a new machine, a new mill, because the old one kept breaking down. We spent a lot of money last year on repairs, so we're in the market for looking, but didn't know which machine we wanted. Looking for a mill, for CNC mill, I stumbled across the DMG MORI 2-day live event.
Okay.
And dived in and out of that over the 2 days, and it sort of got me thinking. So yeah, but we needed a mill to be more productive and more efficient.
And I know it's kind of caused you a good problem, and we'll come on to that in just a few moments. So what was the next step from there? You decided, you contacted DMG MORI, right?
Yeah, I contacted a friend of mine who knew people within DMG MORI, see who the rep was, and then within a few days the rep phoned me up and arranged to come in. And sort of a week later, there was some offers of machines that were suitable for Bedford CNC. And one of them was the CMX. From
the smile in your face, you were very happy. So, you know, they were talking about machines, but you weren't really prioritising machine first, were you?
No, it's about, for me, it was about the finance and the way that it was structured. And what really got me interested in the DMG was the fact that the way the finance was structured with no deposit, and then we got a 6-month deferment as well. So we could have the machine, get it in, get used to it, get it running and earning money before we need to make the first payment.
Which is amazing. And for you, you are a small business, Andy. And, you know, to have a machine with all of this technology, what's it done for you? How has it transformed your business?
It's been in a month, and it's just absolutely transformed the way we work. We're now looking for a lot more work because the speed of the machine, the ease of setting up and the way that you program it, we're getting through our work a lot quicker. So we're now being a lot more productive and a lot more on our deliveries as well. So
that's kind of causing you a problem because you want more work now, don't you?
Yeah, it's causing a bit of a consternation, I think, really. It is. We're now actively looking for work, where before I've never actively looked for work.
No.
So
and what work are you putting on this machine?
We're putting all sorts. We've put steel on there, we've got aluminium on there at the moment, and this is a batch of 100. So anything from 1s, 2-offs that we've done in the last couple of weeks to get used to the machine, we're now progressing on to bigger batches.
And of course, this is new for you. The program, the controls are new. So what training did you have?
We had 3 days training here on site with the guys from DMG MORI, and that was it. And any problem you get, you can phone up. So we had a slight technical issue that I did, and I just phoned up Gavin, and away we went, and we got over it. And every day's different. It's all learning, but it's coming easy. It's quick.
So overall, what would you say to other people who are watching this that are maybe from a small business looking to buy and invest in DMG MORI technology? What would you recommend to them to do?
Ask, because the question is, if you don't ask, the answer is always going to be no. So we asked the question where we're in the field for a mill, and DMG MORI came forward and said, this is what we can do for you as a company. And the process from start to finish was so easy and so stress-free. It was just, yeah, it was amazing. Yeah.
So would you recommend speaking?
I'd recommend DMG MORI. Yeah, speak to DMG MORI. If you need a new machine, speak to them. See what they can do.